Hey there, it's RJ and welcome back to my mythos. I promise at some point I am going to do another Greek mythology video, but today what I've got is yet another Glossybox unboxing for March 2022. Now this is the UK edition. I have not been sent it by Glossybox. All views are obviously my own. I just enjoy doing these videos basically. So let's dive in. Okay, so I have got up the information leaflety magazine-y thing that they send round. I'm actually liking that they're sending these around on QR codes now because it's a lot less recycling that I have to do. Although, please, what do people do with these pink boxes? I have like many of them now, and I was thinking, oh, they'd be great for giving people presents in. I never do that. I never buy presents that fit in the boxes. So if anyone has any cool creative stuff they can do with boxes, then yay, send them my way. Anyway, you're not here to talk about that. You're here to talk about what is in the box. So let's go through in order of what is on the leaflet. So you will notice I have done part of my makeup. I've not got lipstick on, I've not got highlighter on yet, because in the box we have both of those things. So yay! So I thought I'd use them live for you so you can see them as we go. Now this month's theme for Glossybox was, let's see what they actually called it. It was Glossy Wonderland. So they promised that there would be colour. Yes, technically, it just happens that the colour is pink. And pink. And possibly blue. We'll get there. I have already looked in this box so I could see what was coming. Right, anyway, enough waffling. I'm doing like 2 minutes of filming so far and I'm not showing you a damn thing. So, the first thing that is in the Glossybox this month is the Elica Beauty, or Elica Beauty possibly, Rosy Liquid Highlighter. So this is an all-natural highlighter enriched with essential hibiscus oil. Lightweight formula adds a luxurious rosy glow to the skin, applies a subtle pink highlighter, blah 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 blah. Or you can mix it into your foundation, which I've never done with a highlighter because I kind of don't want a full face shine. I look sweaty enough already because I sweat really easily. Although I do like to use a lot of highlighter, so yeah, maybe I will try that actually. But yeah, I'm going to try this as just a highlighter. So this is retails for $12.80. I think it's a full size one. Yeah, oh yeah, it's full size. So $12.80 for 15ml, which isn't bad, I suppose. That's about what you'd expect. Let's have a look. So it's got a little dropper. The usual bloop. Okay. Yeah, I am not good with liquid highlighters. I never ever know how much to use, and I always end up using way too much. So I'm just gonna plop a little drop onto my finger. I'm talking like the littlest bead. And I'm just gonna put it onto the high points of my cheeks, which I believe are like here. Ooh, that already looks very pigmented. Let's just tap it into the skin. That is not tapping into the skin. Not really seeing the... Oh, okay, yeah, there is... Oh, okay, right. I need to just get it in. Ooh, that is actually... That's nice. That has got a highlight to it. Okay, I think my my ring light might be a little bit too high to see properly how it's going, but there is a highlight there. Yeah, okay. Let's do the other cheek as well. So, little blop. Slightly bigger blop this time. I should probably have shaken this up first. Ah, right. So, as I'm putting it onto my skin, it's less of a liquid, like the really thick liquid ones that you get. It's less like that, and it's more like just a glass finish kind of product. So it's almost more liquidy than I expect a liquid highlighter to be. And it is actually like colour rather than glitter. So you see that shine? That's more Yeah, okay, so it's more like a shimmer suspended in a liquid rather than glitter chunks suspended in a liquid, which is good because that's what most people want from the highlighters. I do like a glitter, but you know, I'm not going to complain. Yeah, it's cute. It's yeah, it does what it says on the tin. I don't know if I'm going to continue using it because it's not really my type of highlighter. But I'm sure I know somebody I can pass that on to. And if you're into liquid highlighters. Oh yeah, you should probably shake it. Yeah, actually, hang on. Let's try highlighting my nose now I've shaken it up. Well, it's still quite liquidy. Ooh, put a little bit too much on there, so I am going to tap it off a little bit before I end up with a bright pink nose. Yeah, it's subtle, which is, you know, fine. Just put a bit on my forehead as well. What's nice is that it's not overly pink, so I was worried that it would basically become a highlighting blush, which it doesn't seem to have done. So yeah, it's more just like adding a glass sort of texture to your skin. So it's a very, very subtle, natural looking highlight, which is fine, yeah. I don't know, I'll play with it, see what I think, but at the minute I'm impressed with what it is, but it's just not my kind of thing. So it's still a win. And people out there will be really pleased to receive this, I'm very sure. So yes, that is product number 1. Let's see what's next on their list. So this is still continuing the colour theory. This is from Kinda Beauty, and it is a mood stick. So this is something that I remember from the early 2000s, back when I was first getting into makeup. Here's what it says. So this is no ordinary lipstick. The colour shifting lipstick transforms just for you from the shade Never Blue to a pH perfect tone for your lips. Basically, it's one of those things that Barry M did a lot of them, and still do a lot of them as far as I'm aware, where you get a lipstick that you look at and you go, oh my god, that's a ridiculous colour, and then it turns pink. So the ones I remember are the green ones. This is a blue one. Although, to be honest, even that doesn't look particularly scary. It's not like the bright greens that I'm used to. Let's see what colour my lips go. So I haven't brought a mirror in again because I'm useless. But let's do it in the viewfinder. Oh, it feels nice. Okay, so that's not a lipstick, that is a lip balm, as far as I'm concerned. Apologies for how manky my lips look as well. I am trying to use lip masks, but I've got such dry skin on my lips. Let's see, did that change colour? I did, yeah. What do we think? Yeah, that's gone like a pinky colour. It's cute. I mean, it's a colour that I use quite often, so not mad at it, but it is very much a lip balm, not a lipstick, and I don't think that's... Yeah, it definitely says this colour shifting lipstick in the thing. It'll leave a sheer luxe finish that hydrates your lips. Oh, okay, so if it's hydrating satiny lipstick, then I suppose I can't imagine this is going to last. I mean, it does transfer. You can't really see because I'm so pale that the pink doesn't actually show up on camera. But yeah, it's nice. Feels good. Like I say, I would probably use it as a lip balm on a day where I wasn't wearing any makeup, or I was wearing just very, very minimal lip makeup. So yeah, I will carry on using it. And it also looks like the packaging is made from cardboard as well. So that should mean it's actually recyclable. Well, apart from obviously this bit, which is plastic. That's quite good. That's a bit eco-friendly as well. Yeah. Oh, there's a code as well. So if you use the code GLOSSY20, GLOSSY20, on the Kinda website, you can get 20% off. Until the 1st of the 5th, so the 1st of May. Kinda is spelt KNDR Beauty, so Kinda Beauty website, kindabeauty.com. Yeah, it's cute. yeah, I'm still a little bit pissed off that we were promised colour this box, and the colour has been very, very pale pink. It's Alice in Wonderland themed. Where's the blacks and the reds like I did on my eyes? Where's the bright blue of her dress? The bright blue of the potions, the like cupcake stuff, the flamingos, the hedgehogs. There's loads of colour in Alice in Wonderland, and they've chosen pink. But anyway, that's a different rant. I've got more rants to come. Okay, let's flick on to the next page and let's have a look at what is next. So this is something I'm going to have a rant about, and it's a rant I've had before on this channel. So this is the James Read Sleep Mask Body. So it's a gradual tan to use overnight while you sleep. Develop a natural looking sun-kissed glow with this tanning essential. Developed through the night, that's apparently skin's most receptive hours. Didn't know that. Builds up into a light sun-kissed hue that can be built into a more intense colour. It's fast drying and colourless, so it'll keep your bed sheets and your pyjamas clean too. I hate that Glossybox starts to put these things in as soon as it gets to spring and summer, because not all of us want to be tanned. Some of us like being pale. Also, tanning is such a weird thing, because not everyone is going to tan the same colour. If I'm really pale, these things are useless because I look like an overgrown Barbie doll and it's very obvious that the tan isn't natural. If I was one of my more melanin blessed girls out there with the dark skin, this would be pointless. It wouldn't do a damn thing. So this is focusing on a very, very specific set of white women, and it's a pointless product for so many people that buy mystery boxes. Why do we continue putting self-tanners in mystery boxes? Anyway, that is my rant. If you are someone who can use self-tan and regularly does, I have actually tried this out, get ready to laugh. But let's first of all... Oh no! My tablet's died. Okay, so what I will do is I will do a bit of editing on this video and I will tell you the price of the James Read Gradual Tan here. Ta-da! Okay, it does work. I put some on last night just for giggles on the internet. But yeah, that gradually tans. It's definitely there. It's not coming off. Yeah. So, related question: if anyone knows techniques for getting fake tan to fade quicker, then please let me know in the comments down below, because no. But yes. If you are one of those people for who this will work and who regularly uses fake tan, which again, no judgment if you are, fantastic, you do you, whatever makes you feel good about your body, 100% do. If you are one of those people who can use this, it does definitely work. So in that way it's a win. For me personally, no, I hate that they put these things into mystery boxes because, yes, see rant further back. Okay, next thing. So this is the Cocoa Cocktail from... Now I think that says Bill. I don't know, and it doesn't say anywhere else on the tin. Oh no, Bilou, B-I-L-O-U. It is shower foam, creamy shower foam in the fragrance Cocoa Cocktail. Now I do remember from looking at the leaflet there were 4 different fragrances that you could have got. I know one was watermelon, one was this pina colada-y one, and there were 2 others that I can't quite remember, but I'm glad I got this one because I really love pina coladas and I love this scent. So what you do is you shake it up, you squirt it out, and it's a foam. That was a lot more than I thought it was going to squirt out. Yeah, it's a body wash. yeah, it's... Sorry, give me a second. Oh, I shocked myself. Yeah, it's foam. It's cute. Oh, it smells amazing. It's coconut and pineapple. Oh, exactly what a pina colada smells like. And, well, it's definitely foamy. You could probably do your entire body with just 1 or 2 squirts if based on getting them on my hands is anything to go by. My hands are going to be sticky for the rest of this video now. Yay, that was a clever thing to do, Ruth. Well done. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, I love this. This is great. I'm far too amused by how well that foam came out. Whew. RJ, you're a professional. Act like it. Yeah, I'm sold on this. These are probably about a £5, but I love it. That's great, and I can't wait to try this out in my bathtub. Yeah, there we go. Win, actual win. Makes up for the tan. Okay, and the final product that is in this month is a Magnetone London Wipe Out makeup removal cloth. Fantastic. I cannot get enough of these kind of things. This one's a microfiber cleansing cloth. Cleanse to remove your makeup with just water. Oh, it's a decent size. Yeah, and that's a good size. Oh, it's grey as well, so it's not gonna... Because my problem with these is you get beautiful, beautiful white ones, and then you use them once, and they're never white ever again, no matter how many times you put them through the washing machine. But yeah, oh, this is really nice and soft. Oh, this is like cuddle blankets that you have as a child. Oh, okay. But yes, that's, yeah, yeah, wonderful. These usually retail for somewhere between £5 and £10, don't they? Again, this is how much it costs according to the leaflet. Yeah, pop that back in the box. I will get lots and lots of use out of that. In fact, it'll probably live in my bathroom, so I can take my makeup off in the bath with it. So yes. So this is what we got this month. See if I can hold all of them in one hand. I can't. Yeah, this is the 5 beauty treats that we got this month. I'm mostly okay, apart from the gradual tan. I will probably use all of these. Again, the highlighter may end up going to somebody else, but I will try it out just now that it's not the bright pink that I kind of expected it to be. So yeah, these are a win, this box, as far as I'm concerned. There is also something that's making me happy, in that they gave us an extra treat. They gave us chocolate, and you could have got a kind of marshmallow bar thing, which I would have been fine with, but they gave me Ruffalo! Yay! These are like an almond cream with coconut on the outsides, and I love them, so I am happy with that. So yes, 5 products, an extra treat, only one that I can have a major rant about. I'm disappointed that the colour promise didn't actually pay off as well as it might have done, and I can't tell you what the sneak peek is for next month because my tablet died. So I will see if I can find it out and put it here. If any of you are interested in joining Glossybox for April. Oh God, year's running away with us. Right, thank you. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you return to my mythos soon. See you later. Bye.